Here's a 2011 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. E equals innovation into style. However, the formula for sporty luxury in this E-Class is anything but formulaic. The design is chiseled and confident. The cabin is elegant and sporty. The performance adds up to an unforgettable drive. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: auto-dimming rearview mirror, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, external memory control, automatic transmission, power tilting steering column, memory steering wheel settings, command AM/FM satellite prep radio, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and V6 engine. The Car Connection finds across the line build quality is tight, material selection is mostly excellent, and quietness is a strength. High style, high performance, Mercedes-Benz. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.